Cravings? Let's make it! For today's video, ile-level up naman natin ang ating instant noodles. Lalagyan natin ito ng carrots, celery at ng fish cakes. First, pakuluin muna natin ang ating seasoning at ang ating water. And syempre, dahil impatient ako, bago pa mag-boil ang ating water, inilagay na natin ang ating carrots. And also our noodles. And again, bago pa man kumulo ang ating water, nilagay na din natin ang ating fish cakes and celery. Hayaan lang natin siya na mag-boil and mag-a-add na din tayo ng sesame oil for additional flavor. Halu-haluin lang natin ng konti para mag-mix yung flavorings and yung ating sesame oil into the soup. Let it simmer for a while and then turn off the heat. And now you can transfer it into a bowl and enjoy!